This is the elevator at Building 8 on a college campus in Bradenton, Florida. This used to be a General. They closed down the library and remodeled it and opened it as this. Here we are too. The old call station was right there. So this library closed down in 2018 and reopened sometime in the last few years. There's your certificate. Originally installed in 1978. They kept the original door and the original cab, which is pretty nice. We're gonna go for one more ride on this one. You know what, just because I'm curious, this elevator used to park on 1 when it was still a General. It doesn't do anything now. So let's go back to 1. Actually, it looks like they have 2 certificates. They have this one, and then they have this one. This one says 2025. This one says 2024. And also the capacity is 2,400 on both of them, but here it says 2,500. Interesting. Anyway, that'll be it.